Fight scenes in modern movies are used to elaborate more than just the character's prowess in a scuffle. A good fight scene can tell us about how they feel and what's affecting them psychologically. I'm going to take a look at the first fight scene with Beaton, Balebat, Batfleck and Batterson's Batmans. Tim Burton had Michael Keaton, still a fan favourite, and he took a noir theatrical approach to 1989's Batman.
No shit, it was all over the pavement.
This epic shot puts the audience in a position of knowledge against the thieves, getting us excited to see their comeuppance. We see the Batman, but we can't see any of his features. Instead, the iconic shape of the Batwings are revealed dramatically as he lowers into view. This flashy entrance is of course not for the criminals, but for the audience. However, it serves the purpose of telling us that the Batman is a fully formed character, confident and practiced. Christopher Nolan's approach to 2005's Batman Begins was far more realistic, couching Batman as a stealthy assassin. Similarly to Tim Burton, we start by watching the criminals. This time, however, there are far more of them and they all have automatic weapons, raising the stakes considerably. It's as much of a surprise for us as it is the criminals when one of the criminals is dragged into a container without seeing the Batman at all. Moving on. Zack Snyder's approach is a love letter to the experience of the comics. In this version, Snyder takes a dramatically different approach to Batman. Batman doesn't approach the criminals, instead they approach him, surprising him and forcing him into a fight. The predator becomes the prey. Matt Reeves helms the most recent Batman movie and takes the most self-destructive approach that has ever been put to screen. Returning to the original trope, Reeves motivates Batman's appearance with more criminals. However, this time Batterson makes his approach heard on purpose. Matt Reeves is exploring a Batman who understands that building a mental projection of him appearing builds fear in the criminals. However, having Batman make his approach on the criminals obvious and audible means he loses any advantage of surprise like Tim Burton or Nolan's Batman's utilised, hinting at a more sadistic approach to this particular Batman's fighting methods. It's not what you punch, it's how you punch that matters.